Hi, my name's Joseph Chim. I'm the head of chassis at Monash Motorsport for 2025. Monash Motorsport is a student-run team of over 100 student engineers who design, build and compete in Formula Student competitions all over the world. The chassis department's responsibility is the structural backbone of the car, a Formula One style carbon fibre aluminium honeycomb monocoque.
Hi, my name is Shirley and I'm a 2025 monocoque part designer. This year we've entered a new design cycle, pushing for more innovation, especially in terms of mass savings and optimization. We've completed a lot of simulation to achieve the most optimal panel layouts for our monocoque structure, ultimately targeting a 20 kilogram structure. We've also been able to validate our newly developed tooling method for higher geometric accuracy.
For the first time this year, we were able to fully automate the cutting of all our carbon fibre, aluminium honeycomb and inserts. We were then able to hand lay over 200 pliers, 50 pieces of core and 200 inserts into the mould before vacuum bagging it and curing it to full strength.
The Motorola grant helps us source high-strength materials and more streamlined processes, allowing us to hit our ambitious targets. With these opportunities, we've been able to achieve our goal of a 20 kilogram monocoque, the lightest and most accurate in team history. We've also been able to validate our design, ensuring continued development and innovation.
I'd like to thank Motorola for their support this year, which has enabled us to stay at the pinnacle of Formula Student in Australia.
Thank you, Motorola, for your support.